Чегарадагы Аксай айылынын тургуну жеке ишкери
Matisa Nadyrov, a resident of the Aksai village near the Kyrgyz-Tajik border, was killed during the armed invasion of Tajik forces. According to villagers, Tajik troops burned his poultry factory and killed him. He was a hardworking entrepreneur who devoted his life to the development of his home village. Here you can watch a short video about his life. I never even thought about moving from the border and opening the factory in another place. I shall live in this village, create jobs, and stay here forever. It is the home of my parents and ancestors, as well as mine. Hence, I will never leave this place. I can't even think about it on account of my age and education. I firmly believe it. Regardless of how difficult it can be, we will keep living here, developing the village and working. My younger brother ran a poultry factory. Tajik troops fired at it many times, then killed my brother. They are still around, shooting at everything, even from armored vehicles. May you rest in paradise, hero of Batken.